So we all feel discomfort in our life. Today we're gonna take that discomfort and use it to our advantage. First off, energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy from discomfort is extremely powerful. It's powerful because it can be used for good or bad. You could take the energy of your significant other breaking up with you. You could use that for bad. You could be that stereotype of, let me get in the gym for the reason of I'm gonna look good and better than this person, or go sleep with all these people and I'm gonna go DM them and make their life hell and do this, all that, the other. Or you could use that energy to better yourself, to say, I'm gonna get in the gym for the reasons of loving myself. I'm gonna go be a better person and I'm gonna learn from this experience. You could take that, it's the same energy. A lot of the times people have real amped up energy from something political that happens. And in this day and age, every day it's like something's happening. And you could take that and you could be that freaking shooter, that terrorist. You could take that energy to this extreme, and that same energy, you could take it and be an activist, be a peaceful protester, and someone that cultivates change in our culture, in our time. So obviously this is an extreme example. I'm just trying to point out the huge difference in where that energy can take you and what you can do with that energy. It's the same energy. Here is how we're gonna take that energy and use it to our advantage. So something bad happens. You know that feeling. You wanna immerse yourself in that feeling. Don't be afraid of it, acknowledge it. The emotions, how does it feel? How does it make you feel about that person? How does it make your body feel? What are your thoughts like? You're immersed in this. And then from there, we take our awareness to the truth of what we feel about it, the loving truth. So this is an immersive, emotional experience, but we're not gonna give an emotional response. We're gonna give a loving, truthful response. For example, there's a new person at work and they just made a stupid mistake that cost you money and cost you time. And you just wanna say, like, you're an idiot, like, how could you do this? You wanna tell them off. What are we gonna do? We're gonna immerse ourselves in this feeling. You're pissed off at this person. But we're gonna tell the loving truth about it. What is the loving truth? Is the loving truth that you hate this person and screw them? Or is it that you were new one time, one day, and you wish you would have had somebody to kind of guide you through these mistakes? Or is it like they're having a bad day and you don't really know what they're going through, kind of thing? Like, what is the truth? Like, how do you actually feel? Not like, let me think of some good things to say to this person. No, how do you really lovingly feel? Like, if this was your brother, mother, son, whatever it is, how would you really feel if you loved this person? We have told the truth, the loving truth about the experience. We don't want to stay into this fight or flight, immersed, like, into this situation that has this power over you, that is typically giving you an emotional reaction to call them a jackass or whatever. We want to give this energy to a higher power, take a step back, a best self. This is my faith in God. It could be for you, your faith in you as your best self, like loving your life. This is you 2.0. You could word it as the universe. You're putting faith in the universe. It's always working for you. So you know what your faith is in. We are now gonna take that energy that you immerse yourself in into that truth about yourself, and you're gonna literally, with your eyes open, if you're in the moment, you could do it later and eyes closed if you want, it doesn't matter. We're gonna visualize that power that you felt dissolving into the power of you as your best self, of your faith in God. You're gonna leave it to that power. You could breathe a little slower. You could take your awareness from directly at what's pissing you off, that new person at work, into a broadened awareness. This also takes your body out of fight or flight, calms your nervous system down. And when you do this, the truth about this person and this situation tends to come through just naturally with positive thoughts that will happen and affect your daily actions of this experience. So let's recap. This new person comes into work and pisses you off. You're pissed off. You feel that pissed off emotion, those thoughts, how your body tenses up. And we're gonna be aware of this and let it be pissed off. So you're immersed in these feelings and you tell the truth about them. If you're aware that you're pissed, you can be aware that you know the truth, the loving truth about this person. What is the truth? What is the truth? Like, what is the loving truth? Like, let's be real. Like, let's not just be reactive. Let's be real. We know the truth. We take this power and we dissolve it into the truth of our highest, of our best self. What would my best self do in this situation? We're gonna literally feel that energy dissolving into the energy of you as your best self. And I know this sounds crazy. Literally just try it. Just give it a shot. And it's gonna give you a much less emotional, reactive reaction. And you're one step closer to enjoying these discomforts. So you took that thing that was a pissed off experience and gave you a lot of discomfort, and you now created a positive outcome out of it. This is a skill and a practice that you can develop over time, and to where every type of discomfort in your life becomes a blessing, becomes a chance to enable something positive out of it, and develops you as a person, and your life is completely unfolding in a better way. I swear it's just consistency. Take this practice and apply it to your life. Same thing as like all my other videos. You just got to do it consistently. So I will see you in the next video.